T-Mobile store. We're gonna go check out their cell phone. So let's go inside. Hey guys.
Oh, what is that?
Huh? That's the line.
There?
Yeah. So
There?
we're here outside. We're
There,
gonna go
Mommy?
in,
There?
check out the.
What?
I wanted to get the iPhone 12. The,
Me.
here you go.
Wow.
Looks guys, that's Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. That's what it looks like. Oh, it's bigger.
Wow. Why? Mommy.
That's a Pro Max.
Mommy.
Yes.
Why?
And this is the Apple iPhone 12. It's so hard with the kids. Dapat
Hey, let's go now. No touching.
yeah. The red one and then the what color is this?
Blue.
Okay, black one.
The black? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, give me one.
No, I took it out. Okay.
Did you get that? Well, because what they did before was they did 64, 128, 256. And with the Pro model, now it's 128, 256, 54. So if you were the base,
Wait, which one is this one? This is the Pro, right? Which one is this? You just check here. I think this is. Look, you can check here. Yeah, Pro Max. Oh, so this is a Pro Max. Pro Max is bigger. Yeah. What about this one? Oh. Okay.
Stop.
So this is the iPad.
Long, come
What
here.
is this here?
Come here. No.
Oh,
No.
general. What is
Look at you.
about 8th generation?
Come here.
So 8th
Stay here.
generation. And this is the iPhone. iPhone.
Oh, mommy.
12. This is
No, it's
iPhone
the same.
12.
Oh, Pro Max.
Yeah, it's the same. iPhone 12. And then iPhone Pro. See, it's more iPhone Pro. See? Look, 256.
No, but I think this one, right?
You like basketball, Jasper? You like basketball? Yeah, see, he likes ball. He likes basketball. Wow, what's that? Oh, look, na-enjoy siya basketball. 6, 7, 8. Watch TV basketball, that's why. Enjoy. Jasper, we play basketball, Jasper? Yeah, ball. We're playing.
I like that possession, the way he's taking over the paint area.
Who's playing?
I like to see them push forward.
Who's that? The next end,
New Orleans.
New Orleans.
There's ball.
Ew.
The heel. Moore with the rebound.
What, love? Oh.
So Booker running the ball with Chris
Oh.
Paul.
So guys, I'm getting 2 phones today. I'm getting the Apple iPhone 12, the black one, and also the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, the gold one. One for me and one for Nilo. So I'm just waiting for the assistant to give me my phone. He's getting it right now. Yes, we're getting 2 phones. I'm here at the T-Mobile store. So hey guys, so we're unboxing our iPhone. This one is the iPhone Pro Max iPhone 12. Here, I just got it today. Let's open it. And the other one is the iPhone 12 Pro. Okay, first we're gonna open the iPhone 12 Pro.
No, I think the Max.
Oh, you want to open the Max first? Okay, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's open that one.
Hi.
So this is the iPhone. Oh, look at that, baliktad. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Yeah.
I got the gold
Yeah, Mommy.
one.
Hooray, Mommy.
It's color gold. Look, they have this 3 cameras here in the back, and it comes with the charger right here. It's inside. And what is that? Oh, just some Apple sticker. It comes with it. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Look up, guys. Looks so nice. There's a paper on the top. I'll just take it out later.
Take it out.
Hey, Mommy.
Okay, it has 3 cameras on the back. This is the color gold. I got the gold. And then the one that's Nilo got is the iPhone 12, the black one. Okay, you can put it back now. We'll open yours. Put it back for now, and then let's open. Let's unbox the 12 Pro. Okay, go.
See, no. See, it's not damaged.
Okay,
I
so
did the right one. The other one I didn't did it.
yeah, this is the iPhone 12 Pro. This is what it looks like. Color black. That's for Nilo. One for me and one for Nilo. The gold one is mine. This is the smaller version. The Pro Max is the bigger one. It's the same, just the size is different. And this is which one is that one?
XR.
XR, the iPhone XR.
It's my old phone. Ito yung luma ko.
That's his phone. He's gonna give it to Devin. And then this is his new phone. Show the back. Color black. There's 3 cameras also. And it comes with the charger, of course. The same thing. There you go.
Same thing in the other one.
What are you doing, Mommy? Oh, tea.
Hi. Hope you guys like our video. Please subscribe. And so this one, your XR is bigger than that one, huh? The iPhone 12 Pro. So this is Nilo's old phone. It's the iPhone. It's red XR.
That's big.
Look at the size. Yeah. But this one is square, and then this one is
See the difference in this one? It's like black. In the side.
Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching.